Hello, learners! Are you ready for a mission? Good, because today we're going to build a magic artifact that will give our bodies and brains superpowers. It's called the wooden bowl. No, that's not very good. Oh, I know. The silver spatula. No, you can't fit a whole meal on a spatula. I've got it. Get ready for the golden plate. Are you curious? Let's fire up our neurons and learn something new. By now, you've learned that the food we eat affects our bodies and our brains. Choosing the best brain foods can help our neurons stay strong so we can learn, explore, and have fun. But how do we choose the best foods? Well, we could just guess, or we could use this secret code. Look here. This color-coded plate is called My Plate, and it was designed by very smart scientists to help us pick the absolute best foods to fuel our brains. Each food group has its own color, and we need to find all the colors to build the perfect plate. If we get all the colors, we win the golden plate! Now, that's a mission worth accepting. First up is the color red, which stands for fruits. Fruits are the sweet treats of nature, but they're also healthy. They're super juicy and packed with vitamins that help our bodies stay strong. So which of these are fruits that we could use to fill the red section? I see apples, strawberries, oranges, and grapes. Getting fruits into the red section helps keep our brains active. Our plate is off to a good start, but there's plenty more to go. Now let's find some greens. The green section is for vegetables. These are so important because they're packed with vitamins and minerals that keep us healthy. They're defenders that help protect our bodies from getting sick. Now, which of these could fill our green section? I see broccoli, carrots, spinach, cucumbers, and there are so many tasty vegetables to choose from. When you've got greens on your plate, you've got superpowers in your meal. 2 sections down, next up, orange. This stands for grains. Grains give our bodies energy. They're like batteries we need to keep our brains powered up. So which foods would fill our orange section? I see wheat bread, rice, cereal, and pasta. Whole grains work great. With our orange section filled, we've got the energy we need to learn. Now, let's put that energy to work and get some purple on our plates. This section is for proteins. Proteins help build strong muscles and keep our brains working. Remember, your brain is a muscle too, so let's help get it strong. What foods can fill the purple section? I see chicken, eggs, salmon. Beans and nuts are also a great source of protein. Those are the sneaky ones. Proteins work like building blocks for our bodies. Getting purple on the plate keeps us strong and ready for action. Our plate is looking good, but there's one section left. The blue section is for dairy. Dairy is packed with calcium that makes our bones strong and healthy. So which foods can fill our blue section? A glass of milk, cheese, and yogurt. Those are all good options for our plate. All right, now that we know the colors, it's time to put them on our plate. Let's see. You add some strawberries for the red section, broccoli for the green, a slice of whole wheat bread for the orange section, a piece of chicken for the purple, and a small cup of milk for the blue. Ta-da! When you fill your plate with all these colors, you win the golden plate! The golden plate means you'll be full of good energy, your body will feel strong, and your brain will be ready to work, learn, and play. So, remember, the secret to winning the golden plate is filling your plate with all the My Plate colors. Red for fruits, green for veggies, orange for grains, purple for proteins, and blue for dairy. Each color gives you different nutrients to keep your brain and body at their best. Congratulations! You just got smarter.